Hi, I'm Dr. Beth Onifrak, clinical child psychologist and developer of Child Sight Tools Parent Programming. Because when you get your young child, everything about parenting is easier. I would like to talk a bit about talking back for my weekly 2-minute tip. This is such an infuriating problem and often so exasperating. Like, what is this little person doing? Talking back like this to me. I've seen my share of 4, 5, and 6-year-olds who are like they're 42 with their degree of tude, talking back. And it's really hard for adults to keep your cool when you're feeling, that kind of disrespect coming at you. And truth be told, it's difficult for a child therapist too. We are not saints. We are normal people, and we also have to work, to fight off that feeling at times. So I would like to give you a couple of suggestions because there are ways we can respond to talking back that make it all worse or make it better. So with Child Sight Tools, the name of my programming, I'm trying to fill parents up with tools that help you, that are inspired by the child's point of view, child sight. So here are a couple of ways to respond to talking back that work with your child's brain rather than against it. So the first one is simply to say, change your words, please. So notice that doesn't start with a put down or, how are you talking to me like that? That is not how you're supposed to talk to me. It cuts straight to the verb. Change your words, please. So sometimes that can work. Sometimes I also go the extra step by saying, oh, what you mean is, I'm really mad about that, Mom. This is another way to do it. Interpret what you think your child really feels. And say, well, I think what you mean is that you're really surprised by this change of schedule and you're angry about it and you were really counting on us doing this, like we said, and I think that you're probably really mad. Finally, you can actually reflect the feeling, not just suppose it, but say that I see that you're really sad about this, and I see you're surprised. I see you're going to feel lonely now because you really wanted to see your friend, and I see and I get your feeling. So these are some things that you could try. If this video is helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, share it with some other families, subscribe to my channel. Visit drbethkids.com for some more ideas and resources. There you can find my free booklet, Chill Your Child's Anger, and look for my online courses that are coming soon. Thank you for watching.